What's up, guys? It's Gary with Fresh from the Farm Fungi. I'm here in our brand new lab in Castle Rock, Colorado, and today I'm going to be unboxing one of the Myers Mushrooms flow hoods. So, if you've seen any of my other videos in the past, you know that I use a vertical laminar flow hood, but for the videography sake, I'm gonna be using a horizontal hood in this setup. We got a lot more light, so I got this flow hood about 2 months ago, and it took about 6.5 weeks. I had to use a freight delivery, so we finally got it down to the lab, and I'm super excited to unbox this 4 foot by 3 foot flow hood from Myers Mushrooms. So first thing I know is like this box got roughed up a little bit. So I hope that the packaging held up during transport. I'll just start off by cutting this. So, did a pretty good job. It looks like it's got some foam, which is a good thing. So, I paid about, how much was it? Yeah, I think it was about $750 and then $300 for the shipping. So it was $1,000, which is about a third the price of my other flow hood. So I'm really excited to look what we have. Alright, so it's got some really nice packaging so far. Everything looks like it is intact and not too heavy. Alright guys, so it's got probably about a 1 inch thick layer of foam on the filter. We'll just set this box over here. Alright, so I was really impressed by the design. It seems like it's all streamlined into this rectangle casing, and a lot of the DIYers, they put the fan on top, but this has the fan built into the flow hood itself. So lots of plastic. Looks like it's either aluminum or painted steel. Thank you. But really excited to get this thing on the bench. So you can see that it looks like it's actually 2 filters. So that's kind of surprising. I was picturing one 3x4, but it looks like it's got a 1.5 by 4 foot filter stacked on top of each other. And if I look in the back, it's got some kind of pre-filter. So this looks like it's upside down, but we'll have to go ahead and pop this up on the table. Alright guys. Alright, so I'll see if I can do this by myself. It's got some handles. If you want to come around and look at this. So it's got these grip handles, which are really nice. And it looks like this is the pre-filter, but it's upside down. So we're going to have to, if you want to grab this handle, I can grab this side. We're going to have to put this on the bottom there. Can you lift it? Alright, let's just talk about the back before I spin it around. Alright, was it recording the whole time? Alright, cool. So, sorry about that. But I just want to show the back here before I spin this around. So it looks like it's got a standard plug. I think there was an option for 240, but we just wanted a standard plug so we could put it in this lab without doing any special electrical. And it is pre-wired, which is nice. Alright, and then it looks like it has this pre-filter, which it looks like a MERV 11 maybe. And then here's the blower motor. If you want to get a close-up of that, it really nice stainless steel motor, and it has a little adjustment knob, so if it comes loose, you can adjust it there. And then it looks like it's got a dial with some different settings. So low, medium, high, and off right here. So a nice knob for that. So alright, now I'm going to spin it around. And got a slight problem because the plug is over here and the power cord is a little short, but if I pull from my extension cord, then the light's going to go off. Alright, 1 second. Alright, so I got this power strip here, surge protector. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. So, don't really like that the on-off is in the back, but luckily I'm pretty tall, and we've got flow. Glorious. Alright, so you can see it's got a lot of workspace. This is actually way bigger than I thought it would be, but there you have it. So I can definitely feel the flow. Right here, it seems like there's a dead spot where those two filters come together. But it's a lot quieter than my air science, which is nice. And that's on medium. So I feel like ideally I'm going to be running this on medium. And one thing to note, this is a 30 by 72 inch table. So this is definitely enough workspace for just me, but if I was to buy another table in the future, maybe I would go 4 feet so that you have more arm workspace. But overall, I'm really excited to use this filter. I'm very pleased, and good job. Shout out to Myers Mushrooms, because he has really pulled through with a few of our bigger ticket items, and he always has great customer service. My only gripe would be that if they could improve the shipping. I had to wait 6 weeks on this, so it was a little bit of a holdup, but we finally got it here, and now we've got our fresh new lab. Alright guys, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was a little sloppy, I kind of just did it on a whim, but I wanted to show you guys what these filters were all about, and I wanted to show the new lab. We're going to be doing lots of videos in the near future, so give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're looking forward to more mycology videos like this, and until next time, much love.